YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm going to change this fender. So here is the new fender. This guy will be sit on here and we'll see how this gonna change the look of the bike. To remove these two parts here, so to do that we need to remove the seat. As you can see, there's 4 bolts here need to be removed. So after that we can take out this part, this whole part, and then replace. Okay, here after I remove the right cover, so this part will be exposed for 3 right and left turn signal, and then this one must be the brake light. So to remove this one, you got these 2 bolts which is 8mm, and then got one here using the Allen key. So after that you can remove and just pull back and remove this part. And this isn't much room or space to move, that's why I think we need to remove this part. I have removed both parts now, so I need to use screw a bit to hold the fender down. So remove this part, take out and put it down here or somewhere we can hang. So after that we can pull this down and remove this fender. Know this before, so there's a little screw need to remove before we can remove the whole unit. Put this and take all these OEM parts, original signal and the plate light here, so we can transfer to the new unit. Hey guys, about installing this thing, I found this piece which have 2 sides here. So you can see this side got the nut and then this is the flat one. So when installing, make sure this nut side is inside, so that you can push your another part to make sure this one go inside and transfer all the parts to the new fender. Thing looks so nice. It's an OEM look that came out from factory, but with simple and nice design. Images on this, see there here. Problem I worry about, this part here doesn't have any cover, so if you ride in the rain, might be water get inside here. And between the 2 fender, all the wires here, light is turned on, left signal, right signal, the hazard. Fine and done. I'm installing all the cover here and put my single seater cover. The installation might take 30 minutes to 1 hour, depends on what tools you got. Okay, until then, let's see you on the next video. Peace.